Now, in this particular video, you're going to learn how to apply text, how to apply stickers and frames, different items for your video. So once you already have your background video or image that you want to use, you can start applying any of that into it, like text. Now, for example, you want to apply text. So unselect every other thing. Once you unselect everything, you go below, you see text, you press text option. After you press text option, you see text by your left again. You can press text. So you now see audio text. You see all. From here you can start scrolling down. You see audio text. But if you want to go section by section, you see basic, Christmas, captions, vlog. So each section has different styles. So like I said before, this app have a recent list whereby anything you have done before, you see the recent list. So this is my recent list here for text particularly. You see all the text I've applied recently. So I can reuse it. Instead of me to start looking for it or start creating another one. Probably I still want to write this FCGH again. I don't need to start with typing it. I'll just press it and it will just bring it to this place. It will bring it to this what's it called? This screen, this frame or scene that I'm pointing at. Okay. Now the text option, you can scroll to the beginning. You know this text is not from the beginning. But now if you now scroll your frame to the beginning, you see under it, you see from now. You see option to press from now. That from now you press means that you want it to start from the beginning. So instead of you to start dragging it, you don't need to drag it. Just press from now. Okay, you press from now. That's now one thing I told you about is this red line. This red line. If you click that text I added just now, and this red line is not at the beginning, I will now press from now. So it will start from where this red line is, not the beginning. So in the case where I want it to start from the beginning, you have to let this red line touch the beginning, and then now press from now. You see, it should start from now. So if you want it to show that name to show till the end, you now press until the end. Till the end of that video, it will be showing. That means I said from now till the end of the video, the text will be showing. Can you see it's showing? But if you want it to stop at a particular point, you let that red line to be there. Then now press until now. You see, you see that arrow. The end of that text is on that red line. Can you see now? So that's how you are going to be able to apply text. So in any other case, you want to apply stickers, pictures, and put it on your video. That's the same thing that you are going to use. Instead of it to be dragging this place, that's another option for you. You don't want to press that from now, you can drag it, but in some cases it's very, very difficult for you to drag it. So you need this until now, until end, understand. So one thing about it is that if you have a long video, like 2 minutes video, and you want to cut it into 1 minute, you have to press this split option. Okay, if you press the split option, it's going to cut that video into. So you point that red line to the place you want to cut. Now press split. You want to split it. So you can split anything. You can split text. Probably the text you have made from beginning till end. You want to split it to 2. And you want to remove some parts. You just point that red line to the place you want to cut. And then you now split it to 2. Then you delete the one you want to delete. Understand? Probably you want to apply another effect to the other side of the text. That's why you want to split it. So that one we'll still talk about that one in advanced section. Okay. So how do you get stickers? You don't need to go and start searching for stickers online. Once you have the premium of this app, you have a lot of stickers, the emotion stickers, frame, templates. So you press sticker, you press motion sticker. So under motion sticker, you see a lot of stickers that you can use. The animated stickers. These stickers can be used to beautify your video or give direction. Like you want to say, subscribe today. There are some subscribe and stickers here. This one you can use it to decorate your video. Understand? And one thing about this sticker, you can use it to animate as well. That one we'll talk about that one in an advanced session too. So, like if you want to give direction to your video, you see, okay, this SNS. You see a lot of social media icons. You see a like button. You see clap. You see subscribe. You see countdown 1 to 3. You see lock button. You see different kind of buttons. Subscribe. You see different styles of subscribe button as well. Arrows, shapes. They are all stickers that you can use to give direction to your video. You see that in this video, some of the things I use are already from this sticker that I'm used to give you a direction on what to press. Understand? So that's one thing about stickers, animated stickers. Okay, so from that you can. So once you have finished selecting, the one you want to use, you just press this button, that mark sign. You press it. So still on that sticker, you can put frame. You can add frame to your video. You have different kind of frame. So I have used some frame before. I go to my recent. You see the frames I've used before. Can you see it? Different frames. Can you see it? So I've used all these frames before. But if I want to choose new frames, I'll just go to this side. Okay. I'll go to other side and I will see different frames there. You understand? You press it. So it has been applied to it. Can you see it? Press this place to view full mode. Viewing it from full mode, we close all the whole thing, but if you press it to minimum, you'll be seeing all the screens and how it is applied directly. So after you have choose the one that you want, you can now press mark button that you have chosen. So this frame now can only move from here to this place. But if you want the frame to be applied to all your video, you have to scroll it to the end and say from now or from start, and then scroll it till the end. You press until the end or until now. Okay, so that means the frame will be everywhere on your video. But if you don't want it to be until the end, you can just move the frame and let that red line point to the place you want it to stop, and then press until now. Can you see now? You press until now, so that's it. So by the time you play it, you see you start, and then when you reach here, you stop. Then maybe you want to apply another frame, different frame to this side. You now press done. You now press sticker. You press frame again. You now look for another one that you want to apply to it. Let's say you want to apply this one to the place. Can you see that? So the beauty is that you can resize it. You can resize the frame, make it small, make it big. Understand? You can adjust it. You see this arrow I'm clicking on. You drag it until you get this frame. Once you want to rotate it, you can rotate it here. But if you want to rotate it without using your hand, you just press resize beside. You see these numbers, X and Y axis. So you move it. If you move it to the left, it goes down. If you move it to the right, it goes up. On the Y axis, on the X axis, you move it to the right, it goes to the left. If you move it to the right, it goes to the right. I get it now. So that's another thing about you can adjust the size. Probably you don't want the whole thing to show. You can just put it like this. Can you see it? So once you put it like this, it will cut all the other parts away. If you want to the whole thing to show, you can put it at the center. If you want it to be bigger than this, you press this double arrow to be bigger. Can you see it? So if you want to flip it, you go to that position, that's the size. From the side, you see flip. If you want to crop it, you can press crop. Scale it to the right, it will crop it. Scale it and to the left, it will crop it from the left. Or scale it from the top. Again now, scale it from the top now. It will crop it from the top. You want to scale it from the top rather. You want to scale it from the top now. You scale it. Can you see it? So the different things can be applied. You can just apply different styles you want. So for example, I want to leave it like this. It's still fine like this. It's still beautiful like this. Understand? Like now, these are the frames now. Probably I didn't want to use this frame the way I use it here. So the way I use it here, use this frame is different from the way I use this frame here. Look at it. Can you see it? So you can use it to do a design, or you can just leave it as a normal frame. I see it now. So that's how to apply stickers and text. And you want to add image to it, you press peep. After you finish pressing peep, you now see image or GIF or video by your left side. So once you press image, it will show you your album. So you can choose from the album. Look at the one I downloaded before from free stock, license free image. Okay, I can resize it. I can crop it manually. I can resize it. I see. I can make it smaller. I can copy it from up. I see now. So that's another way to use it, to go about it. So with this thing I just did down, you can use it to animate this image. So if you don't want to put image, you can put video. But you want to put a video at the top. Understand? So if you want stock video from the app, you press this one. It will do stock videos. Okay, so that's it. You can get some stock videos that are very, very interesting. Intro, outro, background, glitters. You can get them from this app too. Hope you understand what I'm saying now. So that's it about that. I would like to pause this video before it gets longer than this.